Alright guys, so now I'm going to be installing the pilot bearing. I already cleaned out the hole for the pilot bearing, so I just need to drive it in. So basically you need a hammer and a 22mm socket, get it lined up, and then you just drive it in with the 22mm. Line it up. Try to line it up straight. And .22 that I'm using is kind of thick, so I'm gonna downsize a little bit by using my regular 22 and not the impact. I think that's it. All right, so we got our pilot bearing installed, our new rear main seal. We thread chased our flywheel bolt holes, and now it's time to install the flywheel.